The war was ending, but peace was far more complicated.
Victory reshaped nations, economies, and global power.
New lines were drawn, and new tensions were born.
Decisions made after the war would define the next century. Allies during war, rivals in peace. Episode 11, The World After World War II.
When World War II ended, the fighting stopped, but recovery had only begun.
No continent emerged untouched by the conflict.
Nations faced the challenge of rebuilding entire economies.
Millions sought stability after years of uncertainty.
Political boundaries were redrawn across the world.
Global leaders gathered to decide the future of peace.
New systems were created to prevent another global war.
Power was no longer evenly distributed.
Economic recovery became a strategic priority. Global trade slowly returned to life.
A new generation prepared for a different world.
Different visions for the future began to compete.
Rebuilding reshaped cities and societies.
The balance of power shifted toward new alliances. Armies stood down, but tensions remained.
The world became more connected than ever before.
Recovery required cooperation across borders.
Favorite people.
Shared experiences reshaped global culture.
A fragile peace settled over the planet.
Peace existed on paper, but mistrust shaped reality. Different systems promised different futures.
Influence replaced invasion as power's new weapon.
Negotiations became cautious and calculated.
Recovery followed different paths around the world.
Security now depended on alliances, not isolation.
Information became as valuable as territory.
Technology emerged as the next battlefield. Speed and reach redefined global power.
Public words masked private intentions.
Asia became central to global strategy. Prosperity was uneven, and tensions followed.
Ideas traveled faster than armies ever could. Preparation replaced open conflict.
The world balanced carefully on uncertainty.
Innovation became a strategic advantage.
Global institutions struggled to keep balance.
Division reshaped daily life.
The next era of global rivalry had begun.
The post-war world no longer moved together.
Progress looked different depending on where you stood.
Trust became rare, and caution became policy.
Innovation advanced faster than diplomacy. Power projected itself without open war.
Everyday life adapted to a divided world.
Even culture became part of the rivalry.
Silence often carried more weight than words.
Growth and rivalry moved together.
The world became smaller and more complex.
Moments of crisis tested fragile stability. Balance depended on restraint.
Conflict no longer needed battlefields.
This era would shape generations.
The world continued to change.
History never truly ends.
Peace remained fragile.
The war had ended, but its shadow remained.
From destruction came transformation.
World War II changed the world forever.